Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, perfect for this hot weather. Tostadas with guacamole and chipotle chicken that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start by first making the dressing, where I am going to add it into the chicken. Half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 of a cup of mustard, 3 tablespoons of chipotle sauce or chipotle chilies. Of course, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We are going to blend really good, incorporate it really good, because this is what we are going to add into the chicken thighs. I am using chicken thighs because the chicken thighs are so soft, so moist, and I am going to grill them outside on my grill. Let's start using our grill, family. Let's start using our grill. It's getting nice and warm. Well, here I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that the chicken thighs are covered completely. I am going to let them rest overnight so that the chipotle mixture really penetrates the chicken thighs. I recommend it this way. Leave it overnight, cover it, put it in your refrigerator, and then I'll see you the next morning when I'm going to start, of course, making my tostadas at home, homemade tostadas. Look at the technique, because you want the tostada to be nice and flat. You don't want it with a little bulge. You want to make sure that the tostada is nice and flat. Let me show you. Look at this. Both sides are the same. Well, I'm going to continue doing the rest of my tostadas. When you make it homemade, they come out amazing and delicious. Well, now I am ready to make my delicious and amazing guacamole. These avocados are from my tree, my garden, so they are organic. Well, let me tell you, they're so creamy, so delicious, that I am completely blessed having this amazing avocado tree. Well, here I'm going to slice. I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to add everything in here, smash it a little bit, adding a little bit of salt. Remember, salt is to taste. Black pepper, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, mixing it very well, making sure that everything is nice and coated so that it doesn't get nice and brown. And once this is done, put it aside and start with the veggies. I have 1 jalapeno. I'm removing the seeds and the cord and the vein, and then I'm just going to chop it in very small little pieces. I am going to continue with the red onion. Let me tell you, this guacamole comes out perfect every time. I'm going to do the same thing with the red onion. Slice it nice and thin. I'm going to continue with my tomato. The tomato is very important to remove the seeds so that the guacamole doesn't have too much juices or too much water when you're completely done. So make sure that you don't miss this step and you remove the seeds from your tomato. Once this is done, I'm going to continue by chopping away nice and fine my cilantro, my coriander. I'm going to chop it really good. Once this is done, I am ready to incorporate it into the avocado. Look at this. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing avocado tostada with the chipotle chicken, oh my gosh, you're really going to fall in love with Cooking with Gloria. Thank you so much for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. Look at this. I am sure you're going to love this tostada. Perfect for this warm weather. Perfect when you don't want to elaborate something so difficult to cook and it's nice and hot and you don't want your kitchen to get nice and hot. But this is a perfect tostada. Everything you need is on your tostada. All the veggies, all the avocado, of course, the protein. Oh my God, you name it. Well, this is done. Let me show you how creamy this is. Like I said once, and I say it all the time, I am completely blessed by having a avocado tree. Look how beautiful this looks. I can't wait to start eating this avocado, this guacamole with some chips. Oh my gosh, especially with my tostada and my chicken right on the top, nice and grilled and delicious. My mouth is watering. Well, let me continue. I'm outside on my grill, getting it nice and hot, ready to start laying my chicken thighs right on the top. It doesn't take too long to grill your chicken thighs. And this part of the chicken is really tender, really moist, nice and delicious. Well, when the chicken is nice and done, nice and crispy, like you see it here, oh my, the aroma of the chipotle, amazing, my friends, amazing. Now, I let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now I'm ready to chop away. Look how beautiful this looks. Nice and crispy from both sides. I am ready to start by showing you that I have everything ready to assemble my amazing guacamole tostada with chipotle chicken right on the top, and of course adding a little more chipotle sauce on the top. Well, here I'm going to start slicing away the chicken thighs. Look how crispy they are. It's really nice and tender. When you make your chicken thighs outside on the grill, it really comes out so juicy and moist. I can't wait to enjoy, let me tell you. Well, now that I cut it in pieces, I am ready to assemble. Be generous with your guacamole. I'm adding some guacamole on the bottom. Of course, a little bit of the chipotle. I should add a little bit of the chipotle on the top, just a little bit. And be very generous with the protein right on the top. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to enjoy it, family, and I hope you guys make it too and you enjoy what I enjoy with my beautiful family. Remember to like and to subscribe if you like and you love this video. See you soon. I am completely done with these amazing tostadas with guacamole and chipotle chicken. Look at this, grilled, delicious. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing guacamole tostadas with chipotle chicken. See you soon. Bye-bye.